10-year Treasury note futures opened the day slightly higher, yields pushing lower as Newswire is reporting record global COVID cases with the Omicron variant, perhaps providing Treasuries as a safe haven. That said, global yields, at least on the European continent, closed unchanged, not providing a whole lot of information. But early in the session, we did hear from ECB policymaker Holtzman, who felt that inflation is going to peak at the turn of next year and gradually decline, and it's time for us to focus on phasing out negative interest rates and unconventional monetary policy. Nothing else really from Europe except from hot inflation numbers coming from Spain. Not really changed the narrative on a year-over-year basis in December, printed at 6.7%. They're expecting 5.7%. Get into the U.S. session, at least in the bulk of it. The gains seem to be limited, largely due to data, at least it appears so. Initial claims unexpectedly declined by 8,000. Continuing claims also unexpectedly declined to a 1 3/4 year low. Also, 10-year break-even inflation expectations hit a 1-month high of 2.592, seem to be limiting gains as it were. Also, Chicago December PMI number up to 63.1. They're expecting 62. Traders, last day of the year, squaring positions, and especially as next week we have the BLS report next Friday. Also, Eurozone's December CPI flash estimate. Now, going into options, I'm looking at CME Group CVOL with March. On a 1-month basis, trading to about the 40th percentile. At-the-money vols are slightly higher. Both up variance and down variance are slightly higher as well. The calls higher just a bit more, so skew is higher on the day. Volume leaders and options, a 131.5 call, followed by the 128 put. Last, CME Group micro mini yield-based futures continue to show strong volume and open interest. Today's volume is pretty robust for the last day of the trading year. Yesterday showed a volume of 1,318 with open interest of 1,326.